They were one couple, 70 years, they had no children. They were blessed with a boy doing it. So what is that miracle you want from this cross which you are going to wear today? You only pray for it. Lift up your hands and pray. Yes, lifting up your hands, looking at the cross, said Jesus, it is finished. You said, no Lord. When will our problems and worries be ended? Oh, the Satan which is troubling us and making us to cry. When will you say it is finished? Please, Jesus, ask him. All those believe that the Holy Spirit which worked in Jesus, he is in our midst today. Believing, lift up your hands. Yes, lifting up your hands. What is the problem you want to come out of it? Lift up your hands and pray. Yes, along with me, you lift up your hands and tell all your problems. Now I'm going to speak to dark temptations. Now along with me, you also say it. Satan, these children, for what are problems to be finished, we are praying. From this cross, I pray that it is finished in their life.
అదే ఆజ్ఞతో